Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and boy, do I have some awesome news for you. Now, why am I having this huge pile of wood chips on the side of our greenhouse wall? It's an amazing thing we discovered. Can't talk about it today because that's for another video, but I do have an incredible surprise coming up.
Going to Kansas City, here I come.
Hey guys, it's Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I'm just so excited because I'm standing on the corner of 24th and Vine in the historic Jazz District in Kansas City, Missouri. You know, when I started Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, I always wanted to do something really cool to the neighborhood because it has so much value and so much worth. It's so much of a history of jazz, improvisation, the legacy kind of behind it, and as far as black businesses and all that represents. Now here, 18th and Vine is just a few blocks down. We are at 24th. So when you think back to those records of Michael Jackson singing, I'm going to Kansas City, you know, on the corner of 18th and Vine is just right down there. And so here we are, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and we're on the corner of 24th and Vine where we just built a brand new greenhouse. And come a little bit closer. I'm just so proud of this because we've been working on this for quite some time, looking at expanding and getting through the recession and really putting food on the table for families and really doing what we can with what we have. So this is an incredible structure right here. I would say, what do you say? This is like almost a block long. So let's go inside. Before we get inside, I want to talk to you a little bit about how we incorporated the past into the design of this. So these bricks that are part of our steps were actually historic bricks from the Vine Street. This street right here was redone about 3 years ago, and they jackhammered it up, and underneath this street were these historic bricks from 18th and Vine. They represent Kansas City. So what we wanted to do is repurpose those, and we save those, and we use those into the design of this structure right here because we wanted to respect our history and all that it represents. So come on in. All right, so there you have it, our brand new greenhouse on the corner of 24th and Vine.